Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I did this tropical nail art. If you are interested to see how I made step by step these nails, then please keep on watching. So first I start with base coat and 2 coats of Not Today Bobby from Kinetics. By the way, I have a swatch video of the Guiltless collection on my channel, so if you are interested, it will be linked down below. Now I will make stamping, so I am using 3 colors here from Beloved's plates, and these are B.A. Mint, B.A. Orchidea, and B.A. Sunflower. First, I stamp the leaf on. And then I go to the flower. As you can see here, I take all the parts from the stamper that I don't want on my nail. I do that using a dotting tool. Now I stamp another flower. And the inside of the pink flower. It is easier to do such design with the stamper that is actually see-through. And last but not least, the top coat. I use MoYou No Smudge top coat because it is my favorite to use after stamping. And also I am applying a matte top coat to give that matte feel to the nail art. And that is it. I hope you liked that video and this nail art. If so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. Bye!